My topic is connecting rod. Overview of content, introduction, functions, force analysis, selection of material, design procedure, manufacturing. Introduction. The connecting rod or con rod connects the piston to the crank or crankshaft in a reciprocating piston engine, converts linear motion into rotating motion. Functions. Transmitted either a push or pull for charge. Fuel flush air inlet or exhaust. Rotate the crank through both valves of a revolution. Piston bushing and piston pulling. Transmitted reciprocating motion into rotary. Transfer lubrication oil from crank fin to piston fin, providing a flask of oil. Force analysis. Gas pressure at the time of expansion. Force acting on piston gets transferred on small end of connecting rod. Vital for the design of cross section and eye of connecting rod. Force analysis. Inertia force act after the completing of exhaust due to vacuum generation. Suction takes place due to this force. Vital for design of big and cap and bolts. Failure of connecting rod buckling. It is takes place when there is a considerable length in proportion it is breadth. Whipping stress. The transfer compound of force acting on connecting rod stress to bend the con rod with the S shape. Selection of material. Medium carbon steel. Carbon 35% to 45% for industrial engines. Alloy steel. Nickel, chromium, molybdenum for automobile aircraft engines used. Design procedure. Design for cross section of connecting rod. Design for big and small end bearings. Design for big end cap and bolts. Design for cross section of connecting rod. Considering of buckling to make it strengthful both in x-axis and y-axis equal. I section is preferred. Dimension of the cross section. Press action on the connecting rod. Area of the piston shield. Maximum pressure action on piston. Determinant of TUC ranking formula. Dimension of I section. Thickness width 4D, height 5D. For small end bearing, maximum pressure acting equal to area of the piston in maximum pressure acting on the pistons. PC equal to dP into IP into BB divided by I by D equal to 1.52 minus 2. For big end bearing, maximum pressure acting equal to area of piston into maximum pressure acting on the piston. BC equal to DC into IC into BB into C divided by I by D equal to 1.25 minus 1.5. Role of inertia force acting after exhaust force for bolt cap. BI inertia force. BI equal to 2 by D dot D dou T by 4. Considering a load of average of piston load and uniform distribution load. BI max I divided by 6. Manufacturing. Draw forging outer surface left unfinishing. Thank you.